Complex fluids, multiphase, and multi-scaled matter covers a broad spectrum of engineering fields.
If you look at under a microscope, you see different length scales, different phases of materials considered complex fluid. We are interested in how those underlying dynamics or microstructures control properties of the matter.
Fluid mechanics is involved in many industries, from rocket propulsion to healthcare systems to energy processes to advanced manufacturing.
Students within this division are investigating phenomena that are relevant for biomechanics, ocean engineering, and aerodynamics. We really have the ability to better understand the multi-scale and multi-phase physics, as well as the complex fluids, and allow us to leverage that for advances for industrial applications.